In this video, I want to show you how to apply a code for a purchased block of time when you're scheduling time with me for training. This is specifically about my calendar, but this is going to apply no matter what if you've purchased a block of time from somebody who uses Acuity as their scheduling software. So here's my website. You can say I want to schedule training, and let's say you purchased a block of time and the time is applicable for 30-minute training. You'll click on schedule now, and then you'll just come down here and you'll find whatever time makes the most sense for you. So we'll just say 9 o'clock on the 9th. So let me fill this in. I've picked that I want to schedule time on September 9th. I filled in my information. I'm just going to scroll down. I'll choose continue to payment. This is where it gets kind of confusing. When you look at this, it seems like you need to supply a payment, and that might be true unless you purchased a block of time. Over on the right, it says package, gift, or coupon code. When you expand that, you'll be able to enter your code. So I made a code for this video that I'll delete when I'm done, but let me paste the code. When I paste in the code and I select apply, it says my total due is $0. So I can click on pay and confirm. Nothing really happens. There is no payment, but it lets me schedule my appointment. This is what you'll do if you're purchasing time and using time with me, but it's the same thing you'll do if you're working with someone else that uses Acuity as their scheduling software. You're not always going to see this on the bottom saying powered by Acuity. I specifically leave it there because I'm grateful for Acuity, and if I can do a small thing to help them advertise, I'm completely on board. But you'll kind of get the sense. When you look at the scheduling link, if it looks something like this, kind of boxy, that's probably Acuity. All right, that's it. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks.